Welcome to the first ever video on my channel. I'm very excited to be making this. Today was really cold, it was raining a lot, so I thought I would make soup because soup is really warm and comforting and something that I love making. While I'm making it, I don't follow measurements or a stone set recipe. I just kind of add things in and see where it ends up, and it tends to end up tasting good. I tend to enjoy it, but I really just like the process. That's like my favorite thing, is just being in my kitchen without distractions. I put away all my devices and I'm just able to focus on the world around me in my house instead of focusing on what's going on everywhere else. One of the most important things I've learned over quarantine is just, it's really good if you're able to spend time with yourself alone and just be fine with doing things by yourself, because I think, especially for relationships or friendships with other people, if you're able to enjoy being around yourself and have more confidence and, care for yourself and love yourself more, you'll be able to give all of those things to other people. But yeah, cooking and painting or doing art are things that have helped me really stay happier during quarantine. I, like a lot of other people, have been getting pretty anxious because of everything going on in the world, so when I'm able to just kind of focus on one thing that I really enjoy and that I can get an end product out of, I feel really satisfied and happy with myself. And one thing in particular that I've tried to learn is to just enjoy the process of doing things and not always care about the end result of like painting, not compare my work to others, and just be happy doing it and learning new things and trying out different methods or skills. But yeah, with cooking, just trying different recipes and seeing where they end up. I really enjoyed the soup. I added some croutons and some cheese, and it just tasted really good and it made me feel really happy. So yeah, go out and make some soup, or I guess stay home and make some soup. And let me know if you tried this, and I hope you stick around for the next video. Bye!